How do you make a woman desire you even if she doesn't seem interested? Hey, I'm Sally, and today we're diving into something very few men truly understand. You know that feeling when you're talking to an incredible woman, but you realize she just isn't showing any interest? You try to be nice, you try to be attentive, but it feels like the harder you try, the further she pulls away. The truth is, you might be doing everything right, just in the wrong order. I'm going to show you 7 psychological triggers that actually work. But I have to warn you, the last one is so powerful that it can flip the script in a matter of minutes, and almost nobody uses it. Before we start, I need you to understand one thing. It was never your fault. Nobody taught you this in school. Nobody explained that female attraction isn't logical, it's emotional. While you were trying to convince a woman with rational arguments that you'd be a good partner, her primitive brain was looking for completely different signals. Evolutionary psychology shows us that there are mental shortcuts, behavioral patterns that trigger attraction almost automatically. And when you master these patterns, you don't have to chase anymore. You become the man that women want to win over. Let's get to the first signal, masculine presence. I'm not talking about your physique here. I'm talking about energy. When you walk into a room, do you own the space or do you shrink? Women pick up on this subconsciously in 3 seconds. A man who moves with calm, who isn't in a rush, who doesn't look for validation with his eyes, that man communicates value before he even opens his mouth. Practical example, you're at a bar. Instead of looking around searching for approval, you just relax. Your shoulders are back. You observe the environment without anxiety. This simple change in posture activates her radar. Second crucial point, the power of the emotional challenge. Look, most men agree with everything a woman says. They're afraid to create tension. But here's the secret that changes everything. Tension isn't conflict. Tension is the spice. When you gently disagree with her, when you tease her intelligently, you create what we call polarity. And polarity generates magnetic attraction. Imagine this scene. She says she loves waking up early. Instead of saying, "Me too," you smile and say, "Really? You look like the type who hits snooze about 5 times?" That's a light challenge. You aren't being rude. You're showing her that you aren't afraid to play with her. If this is making sense to you so far, hit the like button. It helps me know I'm on the right track. The third trigger is selective attention. This is where most men get completely lost. They give too much attention too fast. They reply to texts in seconds. They cancel plans just to be available. And the female brain interprets this as low social value because a man who has options isn't always available. The logic is simple. You need to be interesting, but also interested in things other than her. When you show that you have a rich life, hobbies, friends, a purpose, you become much more attractive than the guy who drops everything for her. Fourth secret, strategic active listening. It's not just about hearing, it's about listening with intention. When you catch details she mentions in passing and then bring them up days later, you get inside her head in a way few men can. This creates a deep emotional connection, and emotional connection is the fastest path to desire. For example, she mentions she loves orchids in a casual conversation. 3 days later, you send a photo of an orchid you saw on the street and say, "Reminded me of you." This kind of attention to detail shows you actually care, and that is devastatingly attractive. The fifth element is calibrated vulnerability. A lot of men think they need to be invincible, but women don't connect with perfection. They connect with authenticity. When you share something real about yourself, a fear, a past failure, but you do it with confidence and without playing the victim, you become human. And human is sexy. Sixth point, progressive physical touch. There's a science behind this. Small, non-invasive touches release oxytocin, the connection hormone. I'm talking about a touch on the arm during a laugh, a light brush of the shoulders while walking. This builds gradual physical intimacy without pressure, and her brain starts to associate your presence with good feelings. This is exactly the kind of psychological depth I go into in my full guide. Attraction Secrets. There you'll find mind maps, dialogue examples, and advanced techniques that turn theory into real-world practice. And now the seventh and most powerful trigger controlled, unpredictability. The human brain is addicted to dopamine, and dopamine is released not when we're certain of something, but when we have rewarding uncertainty, when you're a little unpredictable, when she can't quite figure you out, you become fascinating. This doesn't mean being unstable. It means sometimes you're romantic, sometimes you're a challenge, sometimes you initiate contact, sometimes you wait, you maintain a healthy air of mystery, and that keeps her mind thinking about you even when you aren't there. Now you have real tools, not cheap tricks. Tools based on how the female brain actually works. Use them with respect. Use them with intention. And watch how your life with women starts to change. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be strategic. As of today, you have the upper hand. Until next time.